So I am nowhere ready to start embracing my gray hair yet at 30 years old. So I hate using the synthetic issues in a lot of different treatments. So I found this Mayraki Anti-Grey hair, and this is a color restoring treatment. It is 100% vegan. Basically, I'll just do my hair like normal in the shower. After I'm washed, towel dry, and then just apply I just do a pretty good amount onto the actual roots. You also can do it without washing your hair, which is kind of cool, so that you just take a few pumps and then put it in your palms, gently use your fingers and put it onto your hair. So this comes in a nice pump bottle. What this does is it's going to go deep into the bulb of your hair and restore your hair from the inside out. And then besides the actual product we have, it did come with this super cute little brush. And this is just going to help to, like I said, cover those grays in a very natural, healthy way that keeps me out of the salon longer, but also isn't going to damage my natural hair that I want to keep healthy for a very, very long time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.